Pansy is a popular cool season flower known for its vibrant blooms, which often feature a face-like pattern. It has large round petals of various colors, including purple, yellow, red, white, blue, and some have bicolored petals also. Much like violas, pansy is winter hardy and it can handle mild warm temperature very easily. So if you want your garden beds filled with bright colorful flowers from winter to spring, grow pansies without any hesitation. In this video, let's talk about how to grow a pot full of adorable pansies and how to take care of them. In the plains and coastal areas of India, growing season of pansy generally falls during cooler months. The best time to start growing them from seed is October to November. However, if you are buying developed saplings from nurseries, you can plant anytime during winter months. Between December and March, you will get awesome flowers with so minimal care. Some of the popular pansy varieties you can try are Majestic Giants, Cool Wave and Purple Giant. Pansy grows best in well-drained, fertile soil full of organic matter and micronutrients. I personally use a mixture of 60% garden soil, 30% vermicompost and 10% river sand as potting mix. With this potting mix, I also use 10 grams mustard cake dust, 5 grams of bone meal and 5 gram neem cake dust to enrich nutrient value. Pansies do exceptionally well if transplanted gradually into bigger pots according to the growth of the plant. It enables them to consume nutrients more efficiently as they will have strong root system. Roots of pansy can't go too deep into the soil, but it spreads in a relatively wide but shallow area. That's why a 6-inch pot is enough space to accommodate one plant. Pansy produces fine and fibrous roots which helps to establish themselves quickly in the soil, and for that they need consistent moisture. Always keep the soil moist but not soggy. Water them early in the day to allow the foliage to dry before evening. It helps to prevent a lot of fungal disease. Keep the plant in full sun where they will get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight for optimal growth. Pansies are heavy feeders. They produce large green leaves and numerous blooms. That's why they need balanced food more often in small doses. Use liquid mustard cake solution along with a pinch of NPK 20-20-20 once a week to promote overall plant growth. Natural slow-release fertilizers like vermicompost, seaweed extract also helps pansies in vegetative growth. However, when flowering starts, we need to use little bit of NPK 0050 once in every 15 to 20 days. Pansies actually don't have much pests rather than aphids and moth larvae. We can use neem oil on aphids and garlic pepper blend or Bacillus thuringiensis on moth larvae. Or we can handpick each and every moth larva if the infestation is small. Deadheading is the most important task to keep the plants looking tidy and encourage more blooms. When the flowers begin to fade or wilt, pinch the flower stalk with your fingers or a scissor. Make sure to remove entire flower head or stem including any seed pod to prevent the plant from diverting energy into seed production. By doing this tiny but important bit of care, we can enjoy a prolonged blooming period and more attractive plant. So that's it for this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I really appreciate your time and support for Gardening Escape. Thank you so much for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.